I'm Alex Haddock. I'm a Chief Technologist here for HPE in the UK. On another video, I've described how HPE Synergy is a better blade. Actually, today what I'd like to do is just discuss how HPE Synergy, with the HPE Synergy image streamer, actually really enables the magic of composable. So let's have a look at how that works. First of all, as with all Synergy platforms, we have the Synergy Composer. Now this is powered by HPE OneView. In fact, it's the whole software-defined capabilities of Synergy that sit in that composer itself. And that is what defines a server profile. So a server profile is what includes the CPU, the memory and the disk drives, and also the network connections and firmware. It does not include at this stage any form of operating system. So you still need to go around attaching storage, installing an operating system, perhaps using SandBoot if you're doing something very clever. However, if you then add the optional HPE image streamer, so the image streamer, remember, is another appliance. This is what then allows you to create customized builds for your systems and boot them very quickly. We have a deployment plan. That deployment plan then has an associated golden image. Now this is something that you would have created in advance or used one of the HPE pre-prepared ones. Now I'll just take a quick aside there to explain what kind of operating systems are best run here. You're really looking for cattle rather than pets. You're looking for operating systems where you're not installing applications to the operating system volume. Best examples would be things like hypervisors such as VMware vSphere, or perhaps container platforms like Red Hat OpenShift. Then below the golden image, you then have a build plan. And that build plan has associated plan scripts. So let's just work through how you'd go around creating and booting a server using this method. First of all, you choose a server profile within the Synergy Composer. Remember, that's choosing the right server, it's choosing the right network connections. That would then call the deployment plan that you've associated with that profile. Let's call it Red Hat OpenShift. That server profile will then cool down to the deployment plan. That then selects the golden image. That golden image has an associated golden volume, which is what the actual boot device. So let's call it a golden volume. Now, of course, what you want to have is multiple different things to boot off if you're doing multiple servers. You don't just want to do this one at a time. So all within the image streamer, what you get is some customization done for you. This golden volume is actually smart cloned into an operating system volume. So there we have, very quickly created an operating system volume. But then you need the customization, and this is where the build plans come in. So actually then, the build plan calls the plan script, and that customizes the operating system. That customization of the operating system may be something as simple as the host name and IP address, or it could be other factors that you want to assign to that OS. You repeat that many times automatically for the number of servers you selected. So you may have selected deploy 10 servers. I'll just choose 3 for now for brevity. And effectively then, you have 3 customized boot-ready drives with an OS, all ready to boot from. And then quite simply above that, what you have is HPE Synergy will then boot via iSCSI automatically. So no need for you to do all the hard work and customizing boot volumes. So that's a great and easy way to do this. We think roughly around about 15 seconds for the full OS customization above the server boot time. So I like to call it physical as fast as virtual with respect to deployment. And if you want to then go into some really cool stuff, and we have customers doing this, we'll find people, say, running during the day. They might be running VDI. And then they go through this profile again. They choose a different profile. They might choose a AI profile. Give it a different name for clarity. They'll then go through this process again, again, and again. Again, all automatically, so it's not giving them any extra time. Reboot the servers, and then those servers then become AI. So you can have different workloads at different times of the day on physical machines within just a single reboot. And for me, that's part of the magic of HPE Synergy. Thanks for watching.